Hi everyone, today in this video we will discuss all the important things to remember while buying Indian Remy human hair extensions and wigs. These days women do not need to worry about the new hairstyle trends going on the market. This is because of Indian Remy hair. You can create new hairstyles and looks with these extensions. With Remy human hair you will be able to pull off your looks perfectly. You will become sure of your looks and hairstyle. Let's check out Indian Remy human hair. First, it is important to know what is Remy. Remy or Remy is not a brand name. The term refers to the characteristics of the collection of hair. Simply stated, Remy means that the cuticle of the hair is still intact and will be facing one direction. This helps to lessen tangling and gives the hair a softer feel. Not all human hair products will be Remy human hair, and not all Remy hair is virgin hair. Remy hair is the most popular human hair on the market today due to its quality and price. Which Indian Remy hair should I choose? There are many different types of Indian Remy human hair on the market today, and deciding which one is right for you can be difficult. You'll want to consider your color preferences as well as what type of Remy hair best fits your budget before making a decision. The Remy hair type that best suits you will depend on your needs and preferences. You'll want to consider the following factors when deciding which Indian Remy human hair is right for you. Budget. Length of Remy extensions desired. Color preferences, example, dark Remy, light Remy. Why does the quality of Remy human hair extensions matter? The Remy hair quality of human hair is the most important factor to consider when choosing Remy hair extensions. The higher grade of Remy you choose, the easier it will be to maintain your Remy without too much stress and effort. High-quality Remy human hair extensions. A high-quality Remy hair extension means that they are made from 100% natural human hair that has never been chemically processed or treated before being harvested for Remy extensions. This type of Remy does not need any special care because the cuticles have remained intact and are aligned in the natural direction as it grew, unlike synthetic types which require constant upkeep due to tangling. High-end Remy also lasts a long time with little maintenance needed, although these expensive types can get tangled if you're constantly putting them up in ponytails or bunches, but who has time for that these days? Low-quality Remy human hair extensions. Low Remy hair quality can be identified by the thickness of Remy extensions. If they're too thin and narrow, then it's not a high-quality Remy. Low-end Remy usually lasts about 3 to 6 months before start getting weak and limp because there is less hair on each strand, making them thinner than most other types of Remy. The upside with low-quality Remy is that you will only need to maintain them once or twice per month, but the downside again seems better as well due to how quickly they get tangled when caring for your natural locks while also taking care of delicate extension strands. It's important to look at Remy hair extensions as an investment because if you choose high-quality Remy, they will last for a long time without any maintenance needed. Conclusion. If you are looking for high-quality 100% pure Indian human hair, then do not worry much about Indian Remy human hair. Visit Ah Hair International. We have everything that you want to get the perfect look. Check out our site and buy the best Indian Remy human hair.